isn't it?
Hi, Desi. You know.
Who's Desi?
Pat and where is Mom?
Tina.
Tina. Mom got a new house.
They do.
Yeah.
Do they have any dogs at their house?
No.
No dogs?
No.
At Pat and Tina's house?
Oh, he did.
Yeah.
New.
Do you like their dog?
Yeah, 'cause I like dogs.
You do. Do you know their dog's name?
No.
Charlie.
I got a Charlie in my church class.
You do. Do you have an Uncle Charlie too?
No.
Uncle Chuck?
Uncle Charlie. Sometimes I call him Uncle Charlie.
You do. Are you going to go to school next year?
Yeah.
What are you going to learn?
A, B, C, D.
Yeah? And?
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X.
Y?
Huh?
Y and Z. You forgot.
Y and Z. Next time, won't you sing with me? This is S and this is Z. And this is G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay!
I did this.
Yep, you did your alphabet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Hi.